Hi friends, today we are going to explore the MongoDB Compass. We are going to use the actually shell. Shell is like command line and interface, but if you go to the MongoDB Compass, it is a GUI tool. Using this GUI tool, graphical user interface tool, using this tool, we can perform the operations like code operations like create, retrieve, update, delete the documents and collections and databases using the button clicks. If you see this, how to download, come here, MongoDB Compass download here for the Windows operating system. Here download the option zip file you have here download for the actually if you download the MongoDB server in the server only itself only it will automatically download the MongoDB Compass. For me, I have already done downloaded here MongoDB Compass. See here. Actually, for me, I have used the some databases. That's why it's showing that it's showing the some decent databases. If you have new person here, we have to click on the new connection. New connection means it will go to the MongoDB. It will ask the MongoDB URL. Here you can give the MongoDB column which localhost port number is 27010 slash some database, or you can leave with this one. If you see the connection advanced connection options, see here MongoDB string this one and this one. Host name is I have given that localhost 2707. Like this is authentication. If you have any username and password, if you connecting to the external sources, they will have the username and password. If you have TLS and SSL, these things, and proxy and SSH in use encryption and advanced options. There are options are the advanced connection options. If you give the string and connect with this, we have some. Actually, I have already used that. That's why I am having these databases. If you want to create the new database, come here and click on this plus create database. See here showing that create database. See if you see this database name, it is asking. If you give this sample Thomas I have given. If you give the collection name, products, create database. See, sample e-commerce and products. If you want to create that, if you want to insert the any documents, come here. Click on this product. Here, the add data, insert document. See here, it is asking the insert document. I'm inserting name, laptop, category, electronics, price, stock. Stock is 10. If you click on the insert here, it will insert the data. Like this, we are going to create the, like this, we are going to insert the data into the products. If you want to update, or you can want to insert the new one. Insert the new one. Name. Shoes I have given. Category footwear. Price 99.99. Stock 5. If we click on the insert after giving the data, here see new document is created. Next, if you want to edit the data. Here see pencil button, pencil option is there. Pencil icon. Edit document. See here. In this, you can click on the any one of the data. If you see laptop, instead of laptop, I'm giving the desktop. I'm giving the desktop instead of laptop. If you click on the after giving the data, click on the update. Document updated successfully. After this, if you want to click on this, if you want to edit the in this, I'm going to edit the stock. See, instead of the 5, I'm giving the 8. Update the document. Updated. If you want to delete, click on the remove document. Like if you cancel the delete, it will undo the like it will not delete the element, not delete the document. If you click here and delete the document, it will delete the document. If you want to insert again, category clothes price 9.99 stock 3. Insert the document. See, document is inserted. If you want to use the find query, like I'm going to use the electronics category electronics find. See, category electronics we got. If you find once again, if you insert one more document using the with the same category name, uh, headphones, headphones category. This is also I'm giving the category of electronics. Electronics price 59.9. Stock 6 stocks are available. Insert the document. If you give the find command once again, category electronics. If we click on the find button here, we got the desktop and desktop and headphones. If you want to insert the new collection, see collection name it is asking. If you give the users, create the collection. Instead of the inserting that one by one document, I'm going to use the JSON file is there I have. Stocks, users, users, users docs is there. See, if you click on this users, that means some data I have available. I will import this. I will import this document from the MongoDB Compass. To import the JSON, go to the docs, go to the users, import this JSON users dot file name is users dot JSON. Stop errors, or you can use the I will not check this one. I will import directly. Import this one. See, imported completed. Import completed. 4 documents imported. If you want to add also, we can add. Insert. Manually insert. Email. Next one is mobile. You have to answer. I'm giving true. Okay. Insert now. Document is inserted. You want to see here. If you want to find any name, I'm using that. I'm using the Krish name Krish only. Find got Krish. If you give John, John document is got. If you give the empty end, click on the find. If you export the data here, export the query result or export the full. If you want to export the full means it will export under the objects like. But I will show here export the query result. All fields, select the fields in the table. Put results from the query below. If you give next one, I'm select the here. Uh, ID I'm select, email I'm select, is active select, mobile I'm select. Except name I'm select the all. All. If you click on the next, see here. You, actually, it is creating the one query also. We have discussed that in the command line itself. The query called projection, and that's like it is export file type. It is asking. I'm going to export this like a export this file like a JSON export. It is asking the file path also. If you give here sample e-commerce, like it is created one file name also in the docs sample e-commerce dot json it will create. Select this one. Exported completed. 5 documents written. Show the file means it will click on here. See. Click on here and open. 5 documents I got. Issue 123 and a mobile number is active true. Come to the MongoDB Compass. Aggregations pipelines also there. Uh, like we have did some aggregations call. If you want to do that, see, if you want to do match, see John I got. If you want a Smith here, Smith I got. And if you want to do the uh, fish I got like this. Aggregations. Next schema, indexes and validations. Indexes means like we have already told. I have already told that indexes retrieves the faster way instead of the normal Actually, normal fields that goes to the column collection based retrieval, collection based scan, but indexes will use the sorting technique and it will give the result. Except the ID remaining all are in the collection scan. ID is in the indexes. See here. Validations. Validation nothing. Validations. Add validation rules. If you want to come out of this, click on the disconnect. You can disconnect. See if you want to see my like actually I'm using that cloud database, cloud MongoDB database. I have given that URI, cloud URI, and connect. If you want to connect this one, you can connect with this one. You can connect. In this, some database are there. If you want to create any database, like we can create sample e-commerce and create a one products, create database like this. I haven't shown that how to delete the database. If you want to delete this, here drop collections. If you type the product database also deleted and collection is deleted and database also deleted. We come out of this disconnect. See, we have seen that how to create the database and how to create the documents, how to create the collection and how to create the documents, and how to perform import and export with the compass, how to import the document and how to export the document, and how to perform the scan, how to perform the aggregations. If you like my content, please like my video and subscribe my channel.